Tired of annoying pop-ups while you're trying to browse? Here is the quickest way to block them in Google Chrome on your PC. In this video, you will learn how to stop those intrusive windows for good so you can stay focused. First, open Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Site Settings in the main window. Now scroll down to the Content section and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. From here, make sure you have the option Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects selected. This will automatically block most pop-ups across the web. However, if a specific site is still slipping through, just scroll down to the Allowed section. Click Add, type in the website URL, and hit Add again. That site is now permanently blocked. That is how you stop pop-ups in Chrome. If this was helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.